Good morning. Let me just double check everything working. Yesterday, yesterday I was recording without audio. That was so embarrassing. Good morning, guys. Let me see if I can cover this up. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So, guys, welcome back. It is NFP week. It is Tuesday. That's okay, nice. But yeah, what's up? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Let me just make sure everything's fine. Ready to go. Let's go, baby. All right. There we go. Okay, first off, why do I always forget? I really gotta add this to my. Just give me a sec, guys. I'm just re-entering my account. All right, we're good. We're good, boys. Okay. What up, guys? What up? Good morning. Good morning. Kind of did my pre-analysis earlier. I woke up like 20 minutes earlier. That's good. Good. Pick up. Okay, so we are. I'll just start that. That's like high time frames. Not always, but you know, when you have no direction, they don't really matter as much right now. But I do expect some sort of rejection, which we are getting from. Not sure if this is gonna be like the. We can get a break below. I would say this low. Yeah, I'll say this low with displacement. Then we might start going down to the downside since I am overall bearish. But for now, I guess you could say we're intraday bias is bullish. Yeah, I mean, there's really nothing here that's really like I guess too clear for me right now. On the 15-minute, yeah, we could scalp this intersection. Maybe we could have a little bounce right here to go high. I don't know. I really don't know. I gotta wait till. I gotta wait till. Yeah, I gotta wait because I. If we could sweep this, this is my overall long-term bias, but I want the market to go here. But the way we just bounced off here, I kind of wanted to see something. I wanted to see something like this, basically yesterday. But I don't know if we're gonna get that. Let me make sure everything's fine, guys. Okay, there we go. Okay, audio's good. Everything's working. It was funny yesterday. Literally nobody told me. Well, nobody was here. The audio wasn't working. Let me go my seat now. Get comfortable, guys. All right. I'm gonna turn off my light. Give me a sec, boys. Is it just I can do the intro and stuff? All right, we are ready to roll, baby. Let's let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah, that would bother me too much. All right. So 9:30. We haven't opened up yet. What is 8:30? We came up, took this buy side. So yeah, this was a good, nice sell off. Oh yeah, for sure. I don't think I would have gotten in though. I don't see nothing clear. Maybe this. Yeah, nothing pretty too clean. The only thing I'm seeing is probably this. Is there like an inverse on the 3-minute? Yeah, right here. Right there. Inverse. After taking buy side. But I mean, nothing too clear for me. I would have gone it from somewhere like here, like with the breaker to confirm that it wanted to go higher. But yeah, I mean, so far we're technically in bearish order flow. I am gonna just wait till 10. We do have these at 10, guys. Again, forestfactory.com calendar. We have these at 10. So we're just gonna wait till 10. We're not gonna try to, you know, trade it before that or ahead of that. But yeah, I mean everything's looking normal, nothing crazy. Ideally, I am bearish overall, but I do need to see some I want to see some buy side taking before I go down. I'm not gonna get into from a M5. I'm not doing that. I need to see something clear taken, like something like this or something like this. You know, some clear buy side before going higher. But yeah, let me go with the SMTs now. Let me see. Yes. Again, we are tapping into that weekly fair value gap slash volume balance. Not the cleaning, but you know. I really don't like when new week opening gaps are not opposite, but like at very not similar locations. They don't open the same, so whenever one is trading it, like through it's gonna have a harder time, and the other one's gonna cause it as well to, you know, play around as well. But I mean, I guess if you buy this overall, right, it's still gonna go to it, but it's just gonna get there in a harder. Oh wow, okay. So for ES, we did that midnight opening. Oh wait, I'm dumb. This is midnight opening. I was about to say that's crazy. Okay. The midnight opening is here. Again, we did tap into this 15th fair rally gap and 15th fair rally gap, which looks really nice. I think we closed below 50%, right? Yeah. So technically, this was already the damage done here. I just want to see if we can look for an ASMTs here or something. These look too clean, dude, but we're just so bearish now. I would ideally want to have seen like none of this form. All right. What else am I looking at? I'll go to the higher time frame, seeing if we see any SMTs or something. He did have SMTs here. I mean, for now, they're both looking normal. This is previous day low right here, which is a draw, I guess. If we get some momentum to the downside. Previous day low. Right here. Previous day low. Yeah, I mean, nothing really too different right now, if I'm being honest. They both look pretty similar to me. SMTs, buy side, buy side. Yeah, I mean, they both look embarrassed to me. I'm tired. Sorry. I am tired. Jeez. Okay, I think that's an hour that I should really be watching. Again, I would really want to see some displacement. I really do want to see some displacement here to the downside if we're still in a bearish market. Because to me, we still look bearish, guys. I feel like we just came up here just for, like I said, for a deeper retracement. Let me see if we can run some fibs. From here to here. Yeah, we came into the golden zone. But yeah, I'm still expecting deeper price action, and I'm still bearish with this. The only thing yes, I did see that we did take it out. Okay, so I think we have some T's here, which is annoying because it depends. Like if we really just close above this, then we are really. I'm bullish. There's nothing really here that's gonna hold price down, from my opinion. But then this will become some sort of a breaker. Very bad. Yes, but for now we're just gonna wait. We're not gonna try to anticipate all that move. For now, we're just still bearish. We'll see until the why what happens. We'll see what the news throughout the week tells us it's gonna try to go to or gravitate to. Hey, I think just froze. I was about to say, dude, I know my 3090 did not just freeze like that. That's embarrassing. Alright. Again, this is my draw. I don't really even want to get in from like a lower time frame in versus something like that. But it does look like we're ready to begin. Going lower. We are gonna have a new week opening gap, so that could be an easy target if I can get in from here. But I'm not really trying to chase the market. We do have a 15 fair minute fair value gap. I would want to see an SMTs or something lows at high, sorry. Again, we're still bearish, like we're in a bearish order flow state. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, this is my buy side. I'll see what the market wants to do for now. Now we're just too bearish, so I'm not trying to chase that. Tomorrow is Wednesday. I've only taken a trade this week, which yesterday, and we obviously took a loss. I now moved the stop loss. We would have been in a good position, but it's fine. We live and we learn, or we just learn, or just live. I don't know. Where's the 32? I'm blind. Oh, here. But it's not really clean today. Dude, stop yawning. Oh. All right. Again, we do have two 15 minutes inversion for value gaps. We are respecting bearish order flow. I want to see what we do here. I want to see some sort of SMT created or something, you know? Something that would give me a hint that we want to go for this new week open gap. But I would scope here, but I gotta see. I gotta see what time does right now. So if news just comes up and pulls back into this but this is clean. Just we did close above with the fair value gap. So yeah, I mean I wouldn't really be expecting no more retest. I expect a continuation. Again, but I do want to see some sort of retracement back into this level. We do have. I want to see some SMTs. That's only the reason I would get in if we see some SMT in the lower time frames. Distracting too much. What would be my drop? Previous days low. Nothing's really like in my way, I guess. That's really. We also do have a change in delivery. Yeah, it's looking nice. For sure, it's looking good. Good. But obviously I want to see what 10. I want to see 10 just I want to see 10 wick into this and start reversing. If we're any good. Yeah, we're looking for shorts. Why not? There's nothing really bad. Feed this low. Here we go. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. I'm not gonna complain. Could look better, but hey, man. I'm just wait till 10 though. I'm not trying before news. Cough, cough. Nudge, nudge. Yeah, I watch way too much. Well, I used to watch too much ICT. That's big man, old ICT. Yeah, we closed the low thing. Yeah, I don't really expect they to go lift no more. Yeah, short's looking ideal. I want to see some sort of retracement, a nicer, deeper retracement, or we could just wait here like this. Consolidate, 10 push up and then go lower. Ideally, but hey, man, that never happened, does it? Yeah, it's looking like an oh that it's looking like a nice short. I want to see. I would get in from an inverse. Like again, guys, it's just simple. There's something I've been paying attention to. There's certain streamers that I watch that says once we get a London closure with the placement, we don't really expect London to come up no more through this here. So I'm seeing this as just a continuation of order flow. So really, truly in order flow, we're just gonna literally just pull back into this range and boom, continue reversion. I am gonna mark this 15-minute civvy because, and I'm gonna mark this the middle of the pushment. I like seeing respect to that. It makes me feel confident and very short of, and we have a new week opening gap above. So again, guys, not ready to. I'm gonna know more risk obviously because I'm trying continuation, but I am not gonna trade pre-session, guys. We just had opening, guys. We just had opening. Oh man. Okay, at the middle of that. Okay, it's looking nice. But again, guys, I'd rather just see this rain. I definitely don't want to see this taken. But yeah, I want the throw to be the high to be protected. We are taking back inside that 15-minute inversion. I'm sorry, for value gap. Yeah, we're nice. Or we could just come up and sweep this too. That would be nice too. But again, I'm just gonna be careful. We're too bearish right now to try to long. It would only be bullish if we could what is it called? Turn this into an inversion. Because then we would come back up into London, invert, new week opening gap, F15 breaker. Like there's so many things now, but I would have to be patient for that. I will see what price wants to do with it. We're intraday scalping, guys, because I don't really see a long move long term right now. I would have to wait for the news. All right. Again, we're taking into consideration encroachment level of that 15, which looks nice for now. Dude, I want to get a new subscriber because I added a little sound effect. I still haven't gotten it. Oh, yes, I haven't got no one subscribed. Get some coffee. I'm not really depending on the macro right now, guys. We have news. News will news will bring the volatility that we need, but that's what we wait after. So okay, so what are you looking for, dude? That's beautiful. And rejection of that too. 15 minutes already, I think. That's looking nice. But I'm not gonna get in just like that. Because again, we could come up. I would look. So this is for me, boys. This will be a nice, pretty high, decent probability trade. Consolidate. We eat it and then we take some sort of thing, create SMTs with and Q. Yeah, sorry. Displays, market structure shift, fair value gap. Boom. Oh shit. Right. Like that. Like that. Something like this. Breaker, fair value gap. Equilibrium. Like whatever, you know what I mean? But for now, that's beautiful rejection. Oh, we can just continue dumping. It's just gonna suck. Okay, man. I'm not gonna get in, guys. I'm not gonna get in yet. I want to see some sort of SMTs. I would feel more comfortable with this placement after 10. Or 10 can simply just push down the move. It depends on how we're really just forming. Let me see the opening range gap. It's small. It's okay, guys. Great things come in small packages. Yeah, we did come up to it, and we're leaving it already. Look. Where we closed here. Where we opened. I'm not gonna have it because it's kind of distracting, but we already closed it. I would want to see a closure below it now and then just continue going lower. Yeah. Yeah, it's a small opening range gap. I would wait till 10. I wouldn't start adding to my trading. Let's just say this is the manipulation. Like I would have felt better if this would have been like S&T, something like that. So I would have felt confident price definitely doesn't want to come up anymore. But I don't know. I just don't like whenever we have this type of price here because now it makes me feel like we could come up here. So it makes me like second. Yes, I can doubt myself if whatever. Because this was a like, but this is considered liquidity. But like, is it really what I really want? I don't know. Let's see right now. -1, yeah, it's looking nice. -2, -2.5. Yeah, this is clean. This is clean sell side. It's pretty low as well. Yeah, I'm getting more bearish if I'm really being honest. We'll see. Previous day, no. And rejection. I like that. It's looking crispy. Yeah, previous day though is probably a high probability target for me. This is a nice drop for me. And obviously this outside as well. So again, I am pretty thingy, but I would take a pressure here first, personally. If we could get one, I would take one here. Yeah, it's looking nice, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna just get on from it. We are close below it. Interesting. Again, so what do I want to see? I want to see 10 like manipulate this short-term high, credit and season, boom, displacement, boom. That's what I'm looking for. I'm just gonna wait till 10. No trade for me, guys. If it runs without me, then it's gonna hurt. But I mean, what can we do? What can we do? We can't run up the price. Well, technically we can, but like we have a chance to delivery, order block, fair value gap. Nice. Yeah, we look nice too. At 15. We still gotta see how it closes. I also want to see how the 1 hour closes. Yeah, you see we're tapping into a SIBI here. We're really tapping into a SIBI. Like I'm saying, I don't really expect price to come up there no more. Just in a bearish order flow. Tap into SIBI. Respect in the middle, very nice. Yeah, I mean, this would technically be my draw, guys. Here's a low and right here at sell side. It's clean lows. And we're beginning to invert stuff too. We haven't closed below it, which is ideally I would want to see that close below it. It could be an inversion. We'll see. We'll see. I'm also more bearish because of, like I said, we're rejecting this 4 hour order block. So this is a nice draw. The high time frame. Okay, ES is definitely filling it up more. Interesting. We're tapping there. What are they called? The lower bottom week. Oh, the lower new week open gap. Like I said. Oh, excuse me. Sheesh. Holy sheesh. I'm change my song. This is literally what I listen to, guys, when I'm chilling. When I'm like training.
So you want to play guitar?
No, no, I don't. We do have a 40% fair value over here, guys. Extend it to 1050. 1050. 1110. Macro.
Strangely.
I remember, guys, when I was in New York, I remember just it's crazy. But just a little memory. I remember when I was in New York and respecting it. Cool. When I was in New York and excuse me guys. Damn, I'm tired, dude. I mean I gotta wake up like 6:30ish here. 6:70. Yeah, like 6. That's why I can't really trade like pre-session anymore. I mean I really didn't I don't like to trade pre-session anymore. But back to what I was saying. I remember when I was in New York and oh nice. Okay. This is why I want to see some sort of like these or something put out. But back to saying, I remember when I was back in New York and like, I would wake up. New York be cold, right? My bad. I'm just writing down the. And I remember I would listen to like these type of songs when I was trading in the mornings. Just a little memory. Well, I can't add another video. Hold on, let me see. No, what the heck? Oh my god, this card. Oh, this card. Delete, 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 delete. Remove. Yes. Just from my camera. No. Why did I do that? No. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Hello? We're back. Okay. Oops. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I want to add another display capture, right? Yeah. So I can show you guys like my other screen. No. It's not showing. That's weird. Yeah. Bro, what is up with me today? Alright, sorry about that. Back to price. I just wanted to show you guys my other screen, which is basically this right here. I just literally have ES and NQ both popped up next to each other. And I just try to just help me see like or visualize price, I guess, with SMTs and stuff. Okay, so ideally I don't want to see a closure below this. Like I would want to see a wick. Nothing crazy. We are coming back into the, like I said guys, we somehow do close above this or even this, and I would choose a breaker and I would go for these highs. Like I told you, that's why I'm really very sus when I have highs like this. Like if we had SMTs, like, you know, then I would have felt confident. But we did take out Asian. No, right? Did we? No, we didn't. Okay, never mind. Like I said, that's why it's very high probability for me to try to look for short. Sorry for longs, but I'll wait. I'll see. Uh, because I don't like the way we're having strong closure above this. But I need to see a wick. 24, I guess. It looks nicer. We can come up here, guys. Wick and lower, but ideally, I don't want to see a closure of this if we're really in very short flow state. You see, we're completely overlapping. You see the delivery, like everything else. Technically tapping into the order block. It's looking like a V-shaped recovery, which I'm not really a big fan of right now. We'll see though. We'll see. This would be my last line of defense. I don't want to see closure below that mean threshold at all. I want to see. I would be comfortable awake above that, boom, or lower. But we gotta be careful. This is now somewhat of a BPR, and it's gonna have a harder time trying to break through it. BPR is basically when we have straight downside, right? With fair value gaps, downside. And then, so these are all like, let's say fair value gaps, right? And the opposite just goes boom, boom, like that. So let's say we had a bearish fair value gap here, a red one. Now on this side, now we have a green one for bullishness, you know, for strength, like that. And then this would merge and it would become one BPR. So price when it goes down here again, it would have a hard time trying to get through it. Supposedly, well, ideally. That's what I'm seeing right here. Like I said, if we do break above this, Konami with a closure, then we do have a market structure. Now this becomes a normal block. This is a BPR. I wouldn't want to see 50% lagging. And what would I go for? Boom. Buy side. Clear, beautiful buy stops. Rest things. Waiting to get rescued by a handsome young prince like myself. I'm just playing. Just playing. Don't get mad at me, guys. All right. Again, I'm just wait. I'm really just gonna wait. Okay, we came back to a steady above it. You feel it? You feel it? But we're not closing below it. Learn this math the hard way last time, guys. You either learn things the hard way or the harder way. I learned it the hard way, not the harder way. It wasn't that bad, but it was pretty hard. We gotta see what closes. If it closes below that, now I would expect continuation lower. All right. So if we close below this gap, I would expect continuation over. We're expecting that civvy. We're going back into the order block. Like boom, change the delivery. Boom. So yeah, we're just gonna wait, guys. We're gonna wait. We're not gonna get impatient. We're not gonna. We took this buy side. Okay, that's ideal. Now what do I want to see? Reversal, basically. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see how it closes. We'll see what it respects. Just wait. Relax. Not the end of the world. It is not the end of the world. All right. We did sleep liquidity. Nice. Oh shoot, sorry about that. Okay, guys, I know like you want to get impatient. You want to start getting like trade the inversion or whatever the reverse you could call it, but just wait, guys, because the market does what it wants to do. You got to keep that in mind. It will do whatever it wants to do. I want to see a strong closure below this though for sure. We did just wake it, which is looking nice right now to continue. I don't want, like I said, if we inverse this, two things gonna happen. We're already gonna be above the week open A gap. We're gonna have a breaker. We're gonna have an auto block. We're gonna have an inversion. We're gonna have, yeah, just idea to go for this now. But I prefer not. Why? Because we're still bearish in a higher time in a sense. Like, you know, like this is too clean for me to not go for, but we're just respecting order flow in lower time. You see? Look, we have the inversion. Sorry, the fair value gap. We have the auto block. We have another leg that broke down. That's why I didn't want to see this get broken. I could see it get wicked. We just came back into this. This will now become an intermediate high if we did get another leg below it, another swing low below it. And this just makes sense to continue looking for shorts. I do want to see SMTs. That's something I definitely want to get into, or a nice, beautiful market structure shift with the, you know, we'll see, guys. We'll see. Because at the end of the day, guys, we're waiting for the 1 hour time frame to close as well. We don't want to see it spike up last freaking 5 minutes, just turn into an inversion and we go high. Like it happened to me last time. So yeah, that's basically what I'm waiting for right now. And if we do, okay, so let's just say what happens. Okay, Jose, we get a market structure shift down. What are you looking for? TP1, and then previous A lows and sell side. Yeah, simple, really. That's really what I'm looking for right now. We do have a, like I said, guys, but for me to continue lower, I would have ideally prefer to see mark 15 sweep, which we did. It was high. We are closing below it. That's really looking good, looking promising. And all we just gotta do is what, the final step. So that's it. The hard work is done, guys. Knowing where's the liquidity trying to go for. There's a 5-minute fair value gap now, technically, but I want to see it get inversed. Confirm. Sorry, it's not inversing yet. There we go. I want to see an inversion here. I don't want to start seeing like. Guys, like yesterday, the loss that I took, like it was just like it was eating me alive last night. It was so weird, but like my thoughts mentally, like your mind really is the mental prison to your success. I've realized that. Well, I realized it a while ago, but I just didn't really like um, really grasp the idea until like this year. Like your mind really is what's going to keep you in a certain state of mind if you allow it to. If you allow it to. Okay, this is looking nice. We sweep liquidity back into another version. Boom. I want to see some market structure shifts, some inversions here. Ideally. Let me get up. That just bothered me. I apologize. We're tapping into the new week opening gap again. I'm telling you, new week opening gaps are so good. It just helps me prevent me from a lot of stupid trades. A lot. Like this right here, like I would want to look for longs, but no, because we're still within the new. It's gonna act as a door barrier to try. The thing is, you guys gotta think about this logically speaking. If we're going like this now, like why would you try to like long? Like it could be a, don't get me wrong, you could be right. You could trade the retracement, but to try to hold like try to long term like trade it for like intra-trade it, it's ludicrous. There's so many you can think about it like little doors, guys. There's 3 doors, guys. All right, there's 3 doors. Ideally, what ICT says, 3 PDRAs, 3 little doors that will keep price from doing certain things. For example, here we have 1 door. It's a fair value gap. It's a bearish fair value gap. It's a SIBI. All right, that's 1 door. This is another block. There's 2 doors. We have another fair value gap. It's 3 doors. We have a new wake opening gap. That's another door. Like, why are you trying to? I can't hear myself think. Like, why are you trying to long this? Like unless we break those doors, and yeah, okay, now we have an idea of where price point want to go to, which will be here. But until then, guys, this light right here is telling you it's bearish. And I'm not trying to, be a smart and try to pick the reversal or something. And news is coming up, boys. Let's see what it's gonna do. I didn't even get to reverse. Look at the wicks. Look at the wicks. I would want to see a market structure here. Strong one. And versus fair value gap, and then, feel comfortable shorting. But for now, we just wait. We have 2 minutes to 10. Like I said, we wait. Look, oh, that's a nice rejection. All right, yes. This is nice. I would want to see a continuation.
You created an environment in which I could discover who I really am.
Okay, nice. All right, guys, this is coming up. We shall see what's gonna happen. Do we get a market structure shift lower, or what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? You know, I'm not gonna go crazy with Breeze today. Just doesn't make sense too. I want to save that for like towards the end of the week. Oh, nice. What did I just do? Nice. Nice. I don't want to see a wick. Ugh, I don't want to see that. I want to see displacement going lower. I'm just seeing wicks right now. AK, we're just seeing this right now. Okay, perspective. Even if it was to be working, like I still wouldn't trust it too much, like with the new hire, because we still have all this order flow, guys. They still have this order flow. We're not gonna try to pick this. Ideally, I do want to see an inversion. I want to see an inversion. Ugh, I don't want to see working because I want to see a nice structural close. What about the 2 minute? What did it? 2 minutes? It's still working. Ugh. We're just gonna wait, guys. We're gonna wait. Just gonna wait. The 10 close. Yeah, just respecting that civvy. We could come up again to the wake of it. Ideally, don't want to see that. You can come up to here, guys. Like, this nice wake right here. I do want to see a respect of it. And then start boom dumping. Right below here. Market structure shift. I want to see SMTs though, dude. I really want to see SMTs here. Oh wow, this is nice. Look on ES, look what it did. This is really beautiful. I respected the first presented fair value gap. Yeah, like I said, in order for me to go show, guys, I would feel comfortable. Market structure shift. Yeah, like makes sense to me. If not, we're just gonna range on it. I don't really care. That's gonna be the case. Ugh, the 5 minute looks like a crazy wake. Hmm. Yeah, you see, it's respecting the BPR. Yeah, this is not looking nice right now. I would feel better with the market structure shift for sure. Did come back and take this high again, which I didn't really want to, I guess, but we'll see, guys. We'll see what it's doing right now. Okay, interesting. So we are getting SMTs with DS. With what's it called? DS, yeah. We are getting SMTs with ES, guys. I want to see if we can. Okay, that's looking crazy. Okay, we now have a breaker, guys, and we haven't. That's a crazy stupid candle. Wow. Okay, guys. Yeah, looking like we're bullish to check those sides. Um, Where's your closure? We do have a breaker now. Right here, guys. This is the liquidity. I just don't like. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade that. I don't really care to. I really don't care to trade that. Yeah, I don't really care to trade that if I'm really being honest. That's a crazy candle. Yeah, I don't really want to trade this, guys. I don't really need. I don't feel like I don't really need to do it. Okay, so we did finally have an inversion. This was my red flag, like here. Like, I want to see the next candle like this place lower. Once I seen it, I was like, eh. We came up, we inversed and we respect the inversion here. Shot up. This should hold too now. If we're bullish, I just don't. I just don't want to play intercession with it. This should be a nice area to buy. How many points is this? 43. Huh? I just want to see how. Wow, that's a pretty big sum. But yeah, I'm not really interested in this. I don't really care too much about it. Where do we have a 5 minute fair value run right here? Which I don't want to really see. I want to see above this fair value right here. Do we have some teeth or something? Yeah, we have. It's respecting bullish order flow. So now we would want to ideally see above this fair value gap. This thingy, sorry. This and 5. If I could see some sort of inversion back to the upside, I would take it. But I need to see some stuff stop taking first. I don't want just want to. We also have this. Hold up. Looking too clean. We're playing around with midnight too now. Oh shit, what did I do? We're playing around midnight. No wait. Let's see. We are tapping into a 5-minute order block. Right there. Okay. I still wouldn't take the trade, guys. I wouldn't. I clean it at 2 minute. I'll just wait for confirmation. So basically, I want to see this 50 low and going back up to buying the inversion. These clean highs is a draw though, for sure. We are coming into a 5-minute order block. Nice. Okay, I want to see what it does here. This is a SIBI now, right? Oh wait, oh wait. We didn't even retrace to 50% of this. Which I'm not interested in, I guess. Like I said, I'm not interested. I want to see retracing back into this. We are tapping anyway, open a gap though. Ugh. We did just invert this though. I'm gonna just wait because we might come down, sweep this one more time, and then go higher. We did hold that nicely though. Did invert this though.
Girls want you to believe the size don't matter.
this guy. I really don't want to. Standing up nicely. I don't want to get in from the M5 because I know for a fact if I get an M5, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Like I said, I want to see some sort of S&T created. I'm not just gonna get in just like that. Just be patient. I am long, so long bias now. Oh wow, nice. Nice retracement back. Beautiful. Beautiful sweep. We did tap into equilibrium now. Okay, nice. We did just sweep into thingy, nice. So if we can get a market structure above this side. Inversion breaker. Let's see what my wrist would look like. What the fuck was that? Why that wick look like that? Oh, what the hell was that? Why did the candle just hit that? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We're in a 5-minute order block still. I would want to see this raise hold up to the upside if we're still bullish. You tap into this inversion right here. I would not be putting a lot of risk into this just because it's not like nothing crazy I would go for. The 2, how does it look on the 2? Ugh. The 3-minute is holding up. Yeah, it's holding up nicely. I guess I'll stop taking here. If you get a nice displacement above this, then I would consider going long. Yeah, I mean, it's looking nice for now. M5 is still holding up. But I just don't want to get caught in a chop, you know? Came back up to retrace to equilibrium. Let's hit 2-minute. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait, guys. I'm very thinking right now. Very. It did close below this low, so this low should be protected. If we close back here, we did see liquidity, which I ideally didn't want to see. We are closing below again back. It's gonna be tough. We are coming into a breaker. Yeah, I'm not really too sure what the bias is right now. We're coming way too low for a drop. We're gonna continue in the easy market. And look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm still bearish. If we get below this, I'll treat this as a market structure shift that we just took liquidity. Yeah, I'm still bearish. That's a crazy candle, not gonna lie. I kind of don't want to be playing with this range. I don't want to get chopped around. Probably not gonna trade today. It's looking crazy. It's looking hella crazy right now. We literally just totally inversed that. That's crazy. We're below the new week opening gap again for yes. Thank you, sorry. We did take liquidity, which I didn't want to see if I wanted to go lower. But the problem with that is I wanted to see that here, not here. If we already did with all this, we should have continued higher. We didn't. Like I said, we closed below this with nice strength. I would go in with one contract. One money. One micro, sorry. This is gonna be hard, having a hard time breaking through it. It's a BPR. Look at the one, look at the 4 hour. What the hell is this, dude? Dude. I won't start seeing this basement lower. This is a market structure shift. I want to see what happens here. Curious. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. We're trading in the middle. I'm not a fan of that. No, thank you. No, thank you. I'm gonna trade this. If we were sitting higher, I would have wanted to see that from here. Like a little tap into this, not this huge retracement back into this range. Because now we're coming into an order block breaker. No. I just want to see a nose tap in, another nice SIBI to get disrespected. Boom. I'll see what it does though. I'm not getting it. I'm chilling. Like my news for my capital for tomorrow. I am good.
We tend to think that our spirit is in our body. That's actually correct. Your body is in your spirit.
This is looking crazy. Look, I want to see his liquidity drop here. Coming to deliver into a G-Pass retracement. Let's see what happens here. Okay, we just took that high. Oh, good. That low, sorry. Oh, yeah. I don't know. I really don't know what Price trying to do right now. You're getting S&Ts at the lows. And 29. Yeah, I'm not really sure what the market trying to do right now. I'm just gonna chill for a bit. Really curious and tease here. So ideally, what do I want to see? I want to see this get inverted. Since we disrespected so many. We're below that. I'm done. Nah, I'm not gonna trade this. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. We're below it again. I'm gonna see here what it does. I'm gonna mark down the 1050 macro. I already did. I'll just wait to 1050 and see. Because it did that to me yesterday too. Like it was just consolidating like crazy and then it just freaking Went to the TP. That was a crazy retracement back down though. We do have S&T lows with this. If we could reverse this, it'd be pretty cool. That would be pretty cool. It worked it though. Did invert that. Okay, let's see. We're gonna try this out. Really shouldn't be coming down here no more. This is a big range. Let me get up in the inversion. Nah, I wouldn't. I'm fine. I'm not gonna chase price. I don't really care. It wasn't easy, for sure. Okay, you enter here, but you stop at B all the way down here. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, we're inverting this. See what the 1050 macro does. Crazy. Yeah, that was really confusing. I couldn't really check location. Sorry, the direction. Yeah, so it's most likely going for these highs now. Right here, I wanted to continue drop from this lower. Didn't allow me to do that. That's crazy. Yeah, I really don't know. I don't really think there's a way for me to have anticipated that. I mean, here, I guess. Got an inversion. But even then, I wanted to see this breaker get broken through first to be considered a high. No, I don't think, yeah. Good. We're gonna tap into its upper. Here we go, bring it up. Right here. Let's see how it reacts here. I want to stay above it. Yeah. I want to stay above that. Yeah, I want to stay above that. That would be like my thing. And then obviously this would be my, I'd say profit. Yeah, I'm not gonna take a trade. I'm just saying, just looking. Look at the bodies. I see nice closure above that. Yeah, I'm gonna just log off, bro. I mean, I'm just wait to the macro. Might as well, right? We're playing around the new week opening gap. This is trash per trash price. I'm gonna turn on my lights. Yeah, I don't really see anything. Take my capital at all costs. These are the days people get FOMO. Let me just wait and see what it wants to do. I don't know. I really don't know because this candle threw me off. The 1015 candle right here. It threw me off. I didn't want to see that. Like I want to see a nice retracement like after this new week opening gap or even this breaker, but I technically did hold the breaker. Yeah, it kept price inside it, but it's like trash, you know. And just yeah, because I was more leaning toward bears. That's why I wanted to just see a quick high. Or we could do this but I don't know. I don't know. Tomorrow's Wednesday, right? What do we have for the week? Wait. What am I doing? Oh, that to say. We had news today. Yeah, we have a lot of news tomorrow. That's probably what he's waiting for tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, nothing. It's a little hard right now to try to. We had set the GM5, which I wanted to see displays from there. And it's failing to do so. Excuse me. Let's see what the macro does during the 1050 to 1110 macro. We're in it now. We are having S&Ts, which I don't like, with the ES and NQ. This macro should push price up higher if we're really trying to get there. What's this? Midnight open? Yeah, we're playing around midnight open as always. It's gonna be trash. Excuse me. I'm expecting spooling soon. Like in New York, like at midnight, it's refusing to close below it. That's interesting. Oh man. Something I realized with ES too is like this. Was it ES? Yeah. Like this first presented for value gap. There we go. Yeah, I just wasn't comfortable along with that. I'll paper trade it though. We'll close above these highs with the fair value gap. I'll get in. It's 50 macro. Coming up. Nice. Nice. 1050. Yes, took it already. Probably in a rush now to get there now. Um, want to see a closure above it. I want to see strong closures above this candles now. I want to see closures now. Above this high. Okay. And cute took thing. What's the continuation? Okay. Nice. I want to see closure, dude. Not waiting. I want to see closure but doesn't move into break even. Yikes. No, I want to see closure. I want to see closure above here. I don't like this. I want to see this go now. No closure, and then I could use the breakaway gap. Yeah. Yikes. That's not good. And teaser's not good. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm using that as a breakaway gap. I'm using this as a support one. It did come back lower. I want to see the favorite retracement though. Yeah, we did. That's interesting. That is interesting indeed. Yeah, I don't want to see Midnight Close Beloved no more. Hmm. Again, it did go up to here, like. Vision highs. I just didn't want to see this no more. Back and forth. It's tripped me out. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it is what it is. We're not gonna trip over it. Not gonna trip over it. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna cut the trade by 11:10 if it doesn't move. Oh, yeah. Oh, excuse me. I wasn't impressed. I don't want to see get respected. I want to see inversion. Again, I'm gonna cut the trade out if it doesn't work by. There's an F3 auto block. Oh yeah. Oh, super is high. We tap into this auto block. And the 5-minute auto block in a sense. Still annoying though. We just set into a 5-minute auto block. Right there. Again, I really prefer not to see a closure below midnight open anymore. If we're gonna remain intact. Two more minutes, I'm closing this trade. Once you get reversed. One more minute. I'm closing the trade. Break even, babe. This job is crazy. Yeah, guys, like one more minute or so. Yeah, one more minute. It's not moving, dude. It's not moving. 11:10 yet? It's 11:10. I closed. I think it was break even basically, right? Yeah, I think it was for break even. It's not that great. There we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. There's no trade today. It's kind of like I told you, like for me it was like if it was fitting to do all this, like if it failed to go down from here to previous low, then if I was seeing a version of this or breaker or whatever, I would want to continue looking for these highs. The only tough part with that was I didn't like the drop at 10:15. The drop was crazy. We ended up forming SMTs with DS, and then went higher. I guess this was a nice thing to get in from version, but not my thing. Not from 5 at least. And we already took this, so this is looking pretty reversal right now.